मैरीटाइम पाकिस्तानी एजेंसी और मैरीटाइम सिक्योरिटी ऑफ पाकिस्तान और देयर आर्मी और international contacts. The most important factor, if you ask me why I will classify them under suspected or probable terrorist, is because they committed suicide. Harakiri. A normal boat, even carrying some drug, can throw away the drug and surrender. No one is going to be killing himself unless you are motivated enough to do that. The Coast Guard could not have done any better, because if the operating instructions are very clear, it was dark, and if it was laden with explosives, which appears to be partly at least correct, it could have induced injuries and damage to the Coast Guard. So I think after that,
I think that is very clear right now.
So,
any other
Sir,
Of
just
course,
one thing,
lots of other
two-boat
questions.
theory is coming, sir. Is it true that another boat was there in the sea?
there was another boat, but that was in the international waters of other side.
सब गुजरात में जो इवेंट होने वाले थे प्रवासी भारतीय सम्मेलन है पीएम, इन सब चीज़ों को देखकर लगता है कि उसको टारगेट करने की कोशिश.
मैं स्पेकुलेट नहीं करूँगा, लेकिन इंटेलिजेंस इनपुट्स are very clear, were very clear on this exact spot of the boat also. Our own observation indicated it is almost stationary. It was just doing a sort of roundabout within that zone. Third, it was not in a regular channel. And the fourth most important, they were so motivated, they virtually committed harakiri. Indicates a terror, suspected terror link. Unless I prove it, circumstantial evidence indicates what I'm saying.
Sir, the footage is also coming today.
Footage has already come out, and I think most of the footage, at least spots, are with the media.
सर ये जो वोट थी जिसमें आग लगी,
It will only be a continuous roll of it.
सर इसमें
रात का टाइम था तो क्लैरिटी इतनी नहीं रहेगी फुटेज की.
सर 4-5 दिन हो गए हैं, तो अब पता चल पाया है कि एक्सप्लोजिव किस तरह का था, क्योंकि
I am not speculating that it had explosive, but it had some activity in their mind which probably does not fit a smuggler. That much I can very clearly say. You yourself tell me which smuggler will commit a suicide.
Yes.
सर एक सवाल है कि जब सैटरडे नाइट को पाकिस्तान की तरफ से हेवी फायरिंग आईवी पे हो रही थी, तो पीओके में एलओसी पे हाफिज सईद मीटिंग करा था आतंकियों के साथ.
आप सवाल पूछ रहे हैं, अलग ही पूछ रहे हैं, और वो भी पाकिस्तान के बाजू, पाकिस्तान के बाजू में क्या हो रहा है उसके बारे में मैं बोलने सकूंगा. आई थिंक दैट ओनली प्रूव्स,
ऐसी खबर आ रही है.
नहीं, that only proves what we are claiming, that there is an attempt of pushing unwanted elements across the line of control, और उसका कवर फायरिंग से होता है.
सर ये जो बोट के बारे में क्या पहले से क्या अमेरिकन इंटेलिजेंस एजेंसीज ने भी अलर्ट को जारी
As
किया?
for my information, it's purely Indian intelligence and very clear specific intelligence.
सर बातचीत के बारे में किस तरह की बातचीत अगर हो रही थी उनके बीच में मैरीटाइम एजेंसी से पाकिस्तान की, तो क्या बातचीत?
मैं डिटेल नहीं बता पाऊंगा, लेकिन मुझे लगता है जो कुछ बताने लायक है वो मीडिया में आ चुका है. They were interacting about passing on cargo. हम लोगों ने दे दिया सक्सेसफुली. Talking about families of some of the
Yes.
boat members.
Okay.
Sir, let us ask. Sir, I have two things to ask you, sir. The first is, John Kerry is coming to this country very shortly. He has said that the Lashkar-e-Toiba has been muzzled. Would you agree with that? The other thing, sir, is a more personal thing. A lot of elderly members, widows of soldiers are getting very bad treatment. Some of them from local politicians. We know of a specific case in Lucknow where a widow of an elderly major her house is being taken away by local goons. Is there any way the Defence Ministry can help to stop this action?
इंडिविजुअल केस है तो देख सकेंगे एज ऑन इंडिविजुअल बेसिस, बट एज अ सिस्टमिक चेंज आई थिंक वी नीड टू modify our mentality under the army establishment and welfare by involving more veterans. How to do it वो सोच चल रही है, लेकिन थोड़ा दिन लगेगा उसमें, लेकिन इंडिविजुअल केस है तो देख सकते हैं.
So on John Kerry, sir?
I don't comment on him. I can only say from our side we are trying to ensure that terrorism does not grow or penetrate into India. अभी कहाँ, I don't get into that discussion of good and bad terrorism. Terrorism is all bad.
सर बोट के बाद फिर से हम लोग आते हैं तो ये बात आ रही है कि इस बोट से जो अभी जिसमें जो भी एक्सप्लोजन हुआ, फायर हुई, इससे पहले भी कोई बोट क्या देखी गई पाकिस्तान बोट कहीं जो अबेंडेंट थी हमारे कोस्ट पे, गुजरात कोस्ट पे, तो उससे लगता है कि कुछ इंसिडेंट
नहीं, ऐसे सर क्रिक के यहाँ थोड़े बहुत इंसिडेंट्स साइट में है, लेकिन आई डोंट थिंक दे कैरी दैट मच importance vis-a-vis this incident. They may have their own implications, those are being taken care of.
सर सीज़फायर वायलेशन कंटिन्यू है आईबी पे भी और एलओसी पे भी. आखिर क्यों ऐसा हो रहा है? बहुत ज़्यादा वायलेशन हो रहा है और आप हमारी तरफ से किस तरीके के इंस्ट्रक्शन जो है दिए गए हैं?
हमारी इंस्ट्रक्शंस आई थिंक राजनाथ सिंह आपको बोले, तो और मैं कुछ कहने की जरूरत नहीं, बिकॉज बॉर्डर सिक्योरिटी फोर्स कम्स अंडर हिम. ही हैज़ बीन वेरी क्लियर ऑन द इंस्ट्रक्शंस. एज फार एज माई इंटरप्रिटेशन ऑफ द फुल इवेंट इज कंसर्न, आई फील दैट उनको एक जगह जो पेन हो गया पेशावर में, which was a bad incident, they are trying to sort of divert attention, in which India is also a part of that. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, sir.
This way.
It was Defence Minister Manohar Parrikar there in a press conference. Very categorically, he has mentioned certain points related to this particular incident, the rogue boat mystery. What really was there on that boat? Who were inside that boat? Why was the boat blown up? There was a press conference. We have Jugal Purohit now joining us. Jugal, if you heard what Manohar Parrikar actually said, and in fact I can quickly repeat the salient points, the key points that he has mentioned. Number one, he mentions that this is a clear Indian intelligence and rules out the possibility of some foreign agency actually providing this particular intelligence. Number two, he says that there was suspected terror activity. He uses these three words, suspected terror activity, as these people were motivated enough to kill themselves. And he also went on to say that no smuggler is going to blow up himself or his boat just because there is some consignment that is being smuggled. Third, he mentioned about the chatter that was actually being carried out in that boat of passing cargo, talking about the family, etc. And he also said very categorically that terrorism should not grow and penetrate into India, and any such effort will be stopped. So the Defence Minister, at least on his part, Jugal, is trying to come clean on what exactly the Coast Guard actually saw over there, the sequence of events. Jugal, if you can hear me, this was the Defence Minister who held a press conference at this moment where he called it suspected terror activity. All right, there seems to be some problem connecting with Jugal Purohit. We'll try and have him back with us on the phone line, but that's the latest coming in. We'll try to replay the reaction of the Defence Minister once again for you. The Defence Minister coming out and very categorically mentioning 3 points. Number one, that this is a clear Indian intelligence. Number two, that this was suspected terror activity and these people were motivated enough to kill themselves, and that's why he comes to that conclusion. He also said that no smuggler is going to blow up his boat just because of the fear of being caught. And he also gave certain details about the chatter that was intercepted, where there were people talking about passing some cargo as well as talking about the respective family members. That's the latest breaking news that we are getting you at this moment.